Hello, I'm Sarah, Director of Strategy at Brighter Education Group. Through our trusted brands, Brighter Prep and GoToUniversity, we empower students to achieve their dreams of studying at global universities. We firmly believe that technology can significantly enhance a student's journey through higher education, from the admission process to test prep and school exams. Here's how our edtech platform, GoToUniversity.com, plays a key role in making that happen. Our admissions platform guides students through their entire journey, encompassing academics, tests, extracurricular activities, applications, interviews, and visa processes. Students receive personalized task lists with clear deadlines. Explore global programs, including entry requirements, rankings, tuition fees, and scholarships, all in one place. Track progress, documents, and applications. With resume and personal statement support built in, counselors manage everything seamlessly, while students and parents enjoy complete visibility. Every high school student benefits from engaging in extracurricular activities, not only to strengthen their applications, but also for personal growth and development. We offer a wide range of resources, including online courses, books, internships, project and research guidance, community service opportunities, summer programs, and much more. We don't just prepare students, we empower schools. Counselors access live dashboards, instant report, real-time visibility into every student's progress. Our students have always achieved exceptional results in exams and gained admission to the world's top universities in medicine, computer science, law, business, engineering, and more. Connect with us today, and let's make dreams a reality together.